in the left lane at 166. That brings up the COPO Camaro. That's Glenn Piston, the optometrist. The 18 model COPO Camaro. COPO means Central Order Production. What that means is it has a Chevrolet part number. You can go to a dealer, give them the part number for this Camaro, and it'll show up at your door. Factory built race car. They come with the roll cage in them. They come with the drag style rear end in them. And a stock eliminator legal engine under the hood.